Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to episode 3 of the heart-pounding Initial D saga. Our story begins on a serene mountaintop at sunrise, where the scene is set for an adrenaline-fueled race. Before us stands a Honda Civic Type R, but this isn't your average Civic. It's been transformed into a mountain-slaying monster. Its engine, a tuned and turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-four, boasts around 380 horsepower, ready to conquer these treacherous roads. But the magic doesn't stop under the hood. This Civic Type R's suspension and body kit have been upgraded to near race car levels. It hugs the pavement with precision, tackling corners and descents with finesse. The aggressive body kit isn't just for looks. It enhances performance, providing downforce that keeps the car grounded during hairpin turns. Stay tuned, because the race is about to begin. And this Civic Type R is just the start of the excitement in this gripping episode of Initial D.
As the setting sun casts a warm, golden glow over the rugged mountaintop, our tale in Episode 3 of Initial D, Touge continues with the introduction of our second contender. Behold the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, a true legend among high-performance sports sedans. Here, against the backdrop of the evening's fading light, the Evo X stands as a sleek and stealthy silhouette. Its black exterior, almost blending with the encroaching darkness, is complemented by black rims that add a touch of menace. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a tactical decision meant to keep prying eyes, especially those of the authorities, at bay. But the Evo X is not just about looks. Beneath its unassuming exterior lies an awe-inspiring all-wheel drive system, finely tuned to mimic the precision of a rally car. It's a symphony of power and control, allowing our driver to navigate these treacherous mountain roads with grace, keeping traction even through the tightest of corners. As our fearless racer takes the wheel of this black-clad Mitsubishi Evolution X, they're poised to unleash the rally-inspired fury that resides within. With the sun setting behind them and the all-wheel drive system at their command, they are ready to continue their high-stakes journey through these challenging mountain roads, where each twist and turn presents a new challenge. So stay tuned as the sun dips below the horizon and the battle on these winding roads intensifies.
As the sun sets on this chapter of our exhilarating saga, we must remind you that the world of Initial D is a fictional one. The races we've described are for entertainment purposes only. As we look ahead to episode 4, we're in for an exciting change of pace. Our racers will be facing a high-speed highway time attack, where precision and skill will be pushed to the limit. But as always, we emphasize the importance of safety. Before you embark on any adventure, remember to always wear your seatbelt. Safety should always be your top priority. Street racing is illegal and incredibly dangerous, with potentially devastating consequences. Please enjoy the thrill of the open road responsibly and within the confines of the law. So, stay tuned for the next thrilling installment of Initial D, where the action continues on a new frontier. Buckle up, stay safe, and remember that speed should be enjoyed responsibly. both in the world of Initial D and in the real world.